Hello and welcome to Nola Cooks. My name is Wonola, and on today's video I'll show you how to make 3 ingredients mango ice cream. For this recipe you need whipping cream and you need to whisk the cream until it turns thick. I'm using my immersion whisk. It takes about 2 minutes to do this, but you can also use a hand mixer. So you need to just keep doing this until it turns thick and foamy. If you are watching and you've not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and put on the bell notification for more recipes every week. Don't forget to share this video with your family, friends, or anybody that might be needing this recipe. Now that I have the consistency that I want, the next thing I'm going to add to this cream is condensed milk, and this is going to act as a sweetener. You don't need to add any sugar to this ice cream. I'm just whisking again so as to combine the condensed milk with the cream. Next, I'm cutting the mango open and I'm going to get the flesh of the mango. My apologies that my mango is not so ripe. This was the mango I got and I was eager to film this recipe, so I'm going to use the mango like that. Next, you need to blend the mangoes. I'm going to blend mine with my immersion blender, and you need to blend it until it's smooth and do not add any water to it. Next, you need to add the blended mango to the cream and you need to mix this until it is well combined. After mixing, I'm going to transfer it to another bowl, and this is my ice cream bowl. I'm going to cover it and transfer it to the freezer to freeze for about 6 hours or when it gets frozen. This is the end result of my ice cream. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, like, share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.